Yeah, we will discuss some problems on time. Okay, so here is the first question. A child went to sleep at 8:30 p.m. and woke up at 7:45 a.m. For how much time did he sleep? See, they are given the starting time and ending time. Yeah, Kushal is right answer. Jaideep, no wrong. Kirtan Kumar, right. Mithun, right answer. Jeevan Nayak, right. Lohit Tanmay, right. Harichandan, wrong. Krutika, wrong. Lohit Tanmay, right. Kishan D, right. Nibish and Arsha, right. Nikhil, wrong. Rohini, no, wrong. Ganvi, JM, wrong. Yuvraj, right answer. Aditya M, no. Kushal M, right answer. Uday Charan, right answer. Tarun, wrong. Kishan Pallav, right answer. Ishak, wrong. Aishiri, right answer. Chandan, right answer. Harshit Kumar, right. Kirti, no. Manoj, wrong answer. Chintana, right. Zimad, right answer. Jaideep, now it is right. Kaushik, wrong answer. Ullas, right. Suraj, right. Aditya, I'm right. Vishal Gowda are wrong. Amsa, right answer. Saujanya, wrong. Chitra, right answer. Very good. Surya, no. Rohini, right. Prithvika, wrong. Nishchit, right. Dheeraj, right. Sumadura, right answer. Likit J, right. Okay. Tanma SH, right. SSK, right answer. Mais, right answer. Kruti, no, wrong. Haripriya, right. Chandana, right. Harshita, wrong. Sumadura, you can answer. Right. Saujanya, wrong. Sumadura, yeah. Kaushik, right. Milind, right. Yeah, Sumadura.
Sir, it is 11 hours 15 minutes.
Yeah, right answer. See how you got that one.
First, I took 8:30.
Yeah, 8:30 p.m.
8:30 to 9 p.m. It's 30 minutes. And 9 p.m. to 7 a.m. it's 10 hours. Seven a.m. to 7:45 a.m. it's 45 minutes. And we should add minutes to minute. We can get 75 minutes. And we should convert into hours. So we can get 60 minutes. 60 minutes and 15 minutes extra. And we should 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. So I am adding 1 hour to 10 hours. We should add with 10 hours.
ಸುಮಾಧುರ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಇವಾಗ?
Yes, sir. ಇವಾಗ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಿದೆ.
Yeah, very good. Say, answer is 11 hours 15 minutes. $11 hours 15 minutes. Clear? See, so many methods will be there. You can take 8:30 p.m. to 8:30 a.m. You can do like that. I'll see one more method. This is one more method. 8:30 p.m. is there, no? You can take up to 8:30 a.m. (8:30 a.m.). If it is so, you can take 12 hours. And we are going back again, 7:45. Means how much? 45 minutes back. Okay. So 45 minutes back means you can directly write 11 hours 15 minutes. See, this is one more method. Getting? We need to subtract 12 hours and 45 minutes. This is method 2. Okay, be ready for next one. See, depart ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಬಿಡೋದು. Okay. A train departs from Mumbai at 5:40 and reaches New Delhi next day at 10:55. See, next day means that is morning. Okay. Total time taken. Find out the answer. Kushal S. Gowda wrong. Jeevan Nayak right. Nibish right answer. Rohini right. Harichandan wrong. Keertan Kumar right answer. Kushalam right. Nikhil wrong. See, it comes by practice. Okay. Adityam wrong. Vishal S. Gowda, right. Yuvraj, right. Uday Charan, wrong. Lenovo K8, yeah, wrong answer. Mana, wrong. Ganvi JM, wrong. Kushal Gowda, wrong. Kushal Yam, right. Lohit Tanmay, right answer. Nishchit, right answer. Sumadura, wrong. Karthik Sagar, wrong. Aisiri, wrong answer. Yashas K, right answer. Jaideep, right. Dheeraj, right. Yashas K, right. Vishruta, right answer. Kirti, wrong. Mithun, wrong. Haripriya, right. Tanmay SS, right. Tej Kiran, right. Dhruva, right answer. Roshni, right. Roshni, no, wrong. Kaushik, right answer. Aditya M, right. Sumadura, right. Zimad, right. Chintana, wrong. Suraj, right answer. Mai is wrong. Arshit Kumar, right. Aisiri, right. Dhanmita, right. Chiranjeevi, right. Chitra, wrong. Who is that? Lenovo K8, wrong. Hamsa, wrong. Kushal Gowda, right. Ullas, right answer. Kishan Pallav, right. Karthik Sagar, wrong. Mithun, right. Prithvika, right. Kishan D, right. Kirti, right. Chandana, right. Krut, right. Milind, wrong. Rakshita Gowda, right. Saujanya, wrong. Vishal Kiran, wrong. Sadhvi Patil, right. Yeah, Kaushik. Kaushik, you can unmute.
Sir, I'll explain, sir.
Yeah.
5 to 10, 5 to 10, 5 hours.
Wait, I will write. See, that is evening 5:40. Evening 5:40 means that is PM. And ending time is 10:55. That is next day, that is AM. Yeah, now tell me.
5 to 10, 5 hours.
5 to 10.
Yes, sir. Next
Means
10
5:40 to 10:40.
hours. Sir,
What I need to write here? 5:40 to 10:40 or
5 to 10, sir.
here they are given 5:40, na?
Yes, sir.
You can directly take like this, na? 5:40 to next day morning.
No, sir, I'm taking one more method.
One more method, yeah, we will solve this one. See, 5:40 to 5:40 AM, that is 12 hours. Okay. And again, 5:40 to 6 we will take. Okay, that is 20 minutes. And 6 to 10 AM, that is 4 hours. And 10 AM to 10:55, that is 55 minutes. Now add all these things.
12 hours.
12 hours
5.
plus 4 hours, that is equal to 16 hours. And next 20 minutes plus 55 minutes. See, here we will get 20 plus 55 means that is 75. 75 minutes means you can write like this. 1 hour, 15 minutes. Why? Because 75 you can write like this. 65 and 15. 60 means 1 hour. Write this 15 minutes as it is. So 1 hour, 15 minutes we got. Add it. 16 plus 1, 17 hour. Clear? Kaushik, what about your method?
5 to 10. 5 hours, 10 to 10, 12 hours.
Wait. 5:40 to 10 na.
5 to 10, sir.
5 to 10, now we will get 5 hours.
55 minus 40 will get 15.
Means you are talking about 10:40.
Yes,
Hmm?
sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, so this is 5 hours. So next.
10:40 to 10 is equal to 12 hours.
10:40 to?
10:40.
Okay, 10:40 to 10:40 a.m. next day.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right.
Remaining 15 hours. 15 minutes.
Okay, remaining is 15 minutes. 10:40 to 10:45. Sorry, 10:55.
Yes, sir.
That is 15 minutes.
Total answer is 17:15, sir. 15.
Yeah. You can do like this also. Okay. But see, please make sure that ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಬೇಕದು. That is very important. Okay. ನಮಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಸೆಟ್ಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು. That is very, very important. ಓಕೆ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಈಸಿ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ, ಓಕೆ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಓಕೆ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಿ. ಚಿಂತನ, ರೈಟ್? ಓಕೆ, ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ದಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಈಸ್ 17 hours 50 minutes. We'll move on to next one. Be ready. Yeah. A train departs from Madras at 7:10 on Sunday and reaches Delhi next day at 16:05. Okay. Total time taken by the train. See, they are given the starting time and they are given the ending time. Starting is morning 7:10 a.m. and next day this is afternoon, or yeah, afternoon 16:05. See, this is 24 hours format. Jeevan Nayak wrong. Kushal S. Gowda wrong. See, it is leaving by Sunday. Okay, timing 7:10 a.m. ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಬಿಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ 7:10. Reaches Delhi next day. Next day ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಯುವರಾಜ್ wrong, ಹರಿಚಂದನ್ wrong, ಲಿಖಿತ್ ಜೈ wrong, ರೋಹಿಣಿ wrong. Next day. ಓಕೆ ಸಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ 7 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡೇ 16:05 ರೀಚ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Zimad no, Kushalam wrong, Kirti wrong, Aishri wrong, Neeraj wrong. Just a minute, don't send the answers. Just a minute. Yeah, you can send me. Yuvraj wrong answer. Haripriya wrong. Kishan wrong. Nishchit wrong. Suraj Jain right answer. Only one got right answer. Adityam no wrong. Lohit Tanmay wrong. Vishal wrong. Mana wrong. Chintana right answer. Chintana no wrong. Prithvika. See next day Prithvika, that is next day. Okay. Next day that is PM only. See 16:05 means that is PM. Madhura wrong. Chiranjeevi wrong. Kushal S. Gowda wrong. Mithun wrong. Danvita right answer. Only 2 got right answer. Zimad wrong. Kirtan Kumar wrong. Kruti wrong. Amsa wrong. Harichandan right answer. Vishruta wrong. Vishruta wrong. Harichandan right. 3 got right answers. Kirtan Kumar wrong. Imavarsha wrong. Sanmay SH wrong. Yuvraj Gowda right answer. Ganavi JM wrong. SSK wrong. Chitra wrong. See, this is somewhat difficult, I think, this problem. Haripriya no. SSK wrong. Chandana wrong. Tarun wrong answer. Not difficult one, okay? See, you are not finding for next day. You are finding it for same day. That is the problem. Uday Charan wrong. Next day reach ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. Okay. ಇವತ್ತು ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನನೇ ರೀಚ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. Try to understand. Okay. It is reaching the destination by tomorrow afternoon. Roshni wrong. Akrut wrong. Kishan D right answer. Very good. Harsha wrong. Chintana wrong. Ullas wrong. Next day afternoon 16:05. ಜೀವನ್ ನಾಯಕ್ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಕಣ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು 8:55 ಅಂತ. ಅದು ಹೆಂಗೆಲ್ಲ ಬರುತ್ತೆ 8:55? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡೇ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾಮನ್ ಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ವಾ? Prithvika wrong. Roshni wrong answer. Nibish and Harsha wrong. Say here, stop sending. Stop sending. Note called Riley. Say this 16:05 means that is next day. Okay. Next day, that is 4:05 PM. Now see, train is departing at 7:10 AM morning. Okay. See, suppose think today morning it is leaving. Okay. From today morning to today evening. Okay. See, from today morning to today evening. 7:10 a.m. to 7:10 p.m. Okay, today evening. That is 12 hours. Next, see, we will take 7:10 evening means we'll take up to 8 here. Better. See, this is today evening 8 p.m. or today night, that is 8 p.m. Okay. See, here we will get 50 minutes. Now, see, from today evening to tomorrow afternoon, this one means I will take 8 p.m. to next morning 8 a.m. Understood? ರಾತ್ರಿ 8 ಗಂಟೆಯಿಂದ ಇವತ್ತ ರಾತ್ರಿ 8 ಗಂಟೆಯಿಂದ ನಾಳೆ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ 8 ಗಂಟೆವರೆಗೂ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 12 hours. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನಾಳೆ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ 8 ಗಂಟೆ ಆಗಿದೆ. 8 ಗಂಟೆಯಿಂದ ಇದು ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲ 4 ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿ 8 to 4 how much? Morning 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. 8 to 2 means that is 6 hours. 6 plus 2, 8 hours. Is that clear? Understood? Morning 8 a.m. See, tomorrow morning 8 a.m. to tomorrow evening 4 p.m. that is 8 hours. Next, 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. that is 5 minutes. Only 4 did right answer, I think. 4 or 5. Suraj, Danvita, then Harichandan, I think. Only 3 or 4, I think, got right answers. Others were wrong. Clear? See, this is morning, on Sunday morning. This is Monday evening. This is very, very important. Now add all the hours. Okay. See, keep it in mind. You should add only hours. Hours to hours and minutes to minutes. This is very important. 12 hours plus 12 hours plus 8 hours. Okay. So total how many hours? 12 plus 12, 24. 24 plus 8 means that is 32 hours. Next, coming to the minutes. Add separately 50 minutes plus 5 minutes. Okay. See here, right here, 55 minutes. Here there is no hours. Okay, keep it blank. Okay, here also there is no minutes. Keep it blank. Add 55 minutes here and 32 hours. It remains same. What is the final answer? 32 hours, 55 minutes. See, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಡೇ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. You thought that it is on same day. No. This is Sunday morning and this is Monday evening. Yeah. Chintana, Vishal, now you sent Jeevan Nayak. Okay. Dhruva, right answer. Count ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Dheeraj, you are right. Danvita is saying it will be easy, no sir. Okay. For some student it is difficult, Danvita. Okay, fine. See, a very important one. Mark it as important one. And also a little bit tricky, I think, compared to all other problems. Next, we will move on to next one. Be ready. Next question. Yeah. A train after traveling for 6 hours. See, this is different question. A train after traveling 6 hours 30 minutes reaches its destination at 9 p.m. Try to understand this one. See, I will explain this one. You can find out the answer. See, a train after traveling for, see, it is traveling for 6 hours and 30 minutes. They are given the duration. They are given the elapsed time. Clear? 6 hours 30 minutes. And it reaches its destination 9 p.m. And they are asking the starting time. And it is taking 6 hours 30 minutes. Clear? You need to go back 6 hours 30 minutes. That's it. Got it? See, this is 9 p.m. We need to go back 6 hours. Means I explained this one already. Okay. Tej Kiran right, Aishari right, Aditya right, Suraj right, Roshni right, Ullas right, Chintana, Yuvraj, Kirtan right, Sumadura right, Kushalem, Ishak right, Lohit right, Nishchit right, Harichandan right, Vishruta right. See, that is not okay. Don't tell hours and minutes here. You need to tell the timings. Try to understand. Duration is different. Okay, time is different. ಎರಡು ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. Hours and minutes ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. Okay, it is not hours and minutes. Don't tell like that. You need to tell the timings. Timings is different. That one is different. Yes, Sadhvi Patil, no. Mana right answer. Very good. Lenovo right. Okay. Harsha right. Danvita right. Prithvika right answer. Akrut wrong. Mithun wrong. Kirti right. Prithvika right. Kishan Pallav right. Chandana wrong. Ganvi JM wrong. Dhruva right. Likit J right answer. Saujanya wrong. Ima Harsha right. Kushalam right. Haripriya right. Rishi right answer. Very good. Rohini right. Milind right. Zimad right answer. Rishi right. Okay. Akrut right answer. Kruti wrong. Okay. Harshit Kumar right answer. Rishi right. Krutika right. Harshita wrong. Mithun right. Uday Charan right. Maiz right. Jaideep right. Sindhu right. SSK no. Tanmay SS right. Anaga MS right. Rakshita Gowda no. Tanmay wrong. Yeah. So Kirti, yeah, you can answer.
Sir,
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
9 hours we should go back 6 hours, sir.
Very good. See, first we need to go 6 hours back. 6
It
hours back means
3 o'clock B, sir.
very good. See, this is 9 o'clock, and if you go back 6 hours back means you will go to 3, no?
Yes, sir. We should go back 30 minutes B 2:30.
Yeah, very good. So if you go 30 minutes back here, first we will go 6 hours back here and 30 minutes back. 30 minutes back means it will become 2:30 p.m.
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Thank you, sir.
Right answer. See, answer is 2:30 p.m. Okay. This is the correct method. First, you need to go back 6 hours and then 30 minutes back. So you will get 2:30 p.m. Yeah, so Madhura, Kaushik, Tanmay, Chandana, SSK, right answer. Okay, fine. Next one, be ready. 17th. See, a train departs from a place A at 5:15 p.m., that is evening, and reaches place B next morning. See, that is next morning, 10:40 a.m. So you need to find out what is the total time taken by the train. Answer this one. See, it is like this. 5:15 p.m., that is evening, and it is reaching destination at 10:40 a.m., means next morning. Find out the answer. Kushal S. Gowda, right? No, wrong answer. Kirtan Kumar, right? Naomi, right? Nibish Harsha, right? Aditya M, right? Yuvraj, right? Rohini, right? Aisiri, right? Ganvi J.M, wrong. Lenovo K8, right? Ullas, right? Aditya M, right? Mithun, wrong. Kushal Gowda, right? Lohit Tanmay, right? Kushal S. Gowda, right? Chintana, right? Likit, right? Jaideep, no. Yashash K, right? Jeevan Nayak, right? Uday Charan, wrong. ಯಶಸ್ ಗೆ ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ಸೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಷ್ಟೇನೆ, ಎರಡೆರಡು ಸರಿ ಬೇಡ. ಸೊ ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ವೆಯ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು 2 minutes ವೆಯ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನೀವು. ಹರಿಪ್ರಿಯಾ ರೈಟ್, ಧೀರಜ್ ರಾಂಗ್, ಸೂರ್ಯ ರಾಂಗ್, ನಿಶ್ಚಿತ್ ರೈಟ್, ತೇಜ್ ಕಿರಣ್ ರೈಟ್, ಧ್ರುವ ರೈಟ್, ಚಂದನ ರಾಂಗ್, ಜೈದೀಪ್ ರೈಟ್, ಸೂರಜ್ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್, ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಸುಮಧುರಾ ನೋ, ತರುಣ್ ನೋ, ಯಾ ನವಮಿ, ಕೀರ್ತಿ ನೋ, ರೋಶ್ನಿ ನೋ, ಮನೋಜ್ ರಾಂಗ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್, ಸುಮಧುರಾ ರೈಟ್. Send me fast. Prithvika, right? Very good. See. Bhuvan Chandra, no. Mithun, wrong. Sadhvi Patil, no. Zimad, wrong answer. Rakshita Gowda, no. Wrong. Sheetal, wrong. Mana, wrong. Kishan, wrong. Dheeraj, right answer. Saujanya, wrong. Roshni, wrong. Chitra, wrong. Milind, wrong. Sindhu, right. Tanmay SH, wrong. Danvita, right. Prithvika, Edama. Ishak, wrong answer. Kruti, wrong. Kaushik, wrong. Just a minute. Prithvika. Imorsha, right answer. Kirti, wrong. Harichandan, right. Bhuvan Chandra, wrong. Likitem Gowda, right. Chandana, wrong. Roshni, right. Chandana, you need practice. Arshit Kumar, yeah. Rohini sent complete details. Okay, right. Rohini, Mana wrong. Kirti wrong. Mithun wrong. Mana wrong. Okay, see here. Stop sending. Yeah, Prithvika.
Sir,
Explain.
from 5:15 p.m. to 5:15 a.m. 12 hours.
Very good. Next.
And 5:15 a.m. to 6 a.m. 45 minutes.
Yeah, very good. How many
6
minutes?
a.m.
45
to
minutes.
10 a.m. Yes, sir.
6 to 10 a.m.
4 hours.
Very good.
And 10 a.m. to 10:40 a.m. 40 minutes.
Very good.
Sir, now we should add, sir.
Yeah. 12 hours plus 4 hours.
4 hours. 16 hours.
16 hours, okay.
And 40 minutes plus 45 minutes, 85 minutes.
40 minutes plus 45 minutes.
80 minutes.
That is 80 minutes.
Yes, sir.
80 minutes. How we can write?
Sir, we can write 1 hour, 25 minutes.
Oh, this is 85, no, sorry. 1 hour, 25 minutes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we can take this 1 hour, 25 minutes here. Okay, if you add means
17 hours, 25 minutes.
yeah, you are from which place, which school?
Sir, Yagnavalkya Public School, Bhimana Bande.
Oh, okay,
Thank you, sir.
good. Okay. So this is the answer. Clear? Hmm? See, you need to practice more problems, then only you will get. Okay, see, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾದ ಯಾವುದು ಮಂತ್ರ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ. Don't think there is a mantra. Okay, no such mantra. You need to practice on your own. Clear? Then only you will answer. Clear? ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಟೀಚರ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಯಾರು ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. Okay? Parents or teacher, they won't do anything in this. Okay? Your part is very big here. Okay? You need to take more problems, you need to solve more problems. Then only you are able to answer these kind of questions. Clear? See, all are listening online only. So you need to solve the problems in online classes only. Don't think for offline classes right now. Situation is like that only. For 1 year, again you need to go for online classes only. Yeah, see, we will solve one more problem last, and then we will move on to quiz. Okay. Last one problem. See, that is 9:30, not AM. Take it as PM. ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಯಾರು ಮಲಗ್ತಾರಲ್ವಾ? See, Ram slept on Sunday 9:30 AM. No, ಮನ ಕೈ ಎತ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? ಮಲಗ್ತೇವ ಬಿಡಮ್ ನೀನು. ಹಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿನ ಇದೆ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ನಿಂದು ಮನ. ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಇದೆಯಾ 2 days ಮಲಗಿರೋದು? Kushala Gowda, right? Naomi, right? Harichandan, right? Harsha, right? Harichandan, I will ask you now. Nibish, Harsha, right? Kushalam, wrong. Mithun, right? Uday Charan, right? Ullas, right? Rohini, right? Kirtan Kumar, right? Kushalam, right answer. Dheeraj, right? Yuvraj Gowda, right? Aditya, wrong. Kushal Gowda, wrong. Nishchit, wrong. Haripriya, right? Lohit Tanmay, right? Vishal, right? Kruti, no, wrong. Just miss. Kruti. Jeevan Nayak, right answer. Aishiri, right answer. Ullas, right answer. Kirti, right. Jaideep, right. Sheetal, wrong. Prithvika, right answer. Tanmay, SH, right. Suraj, right. Adityam, wrong. Chintana, wrong. Sumadura, right. Danvita, wrong. Danvita, what happened? Tej, Kiran, right answer. Take it as PM, that one I told. SSK, no. Yeah, SSK, right answer. Likit, wrong answer. Mana, wrong. Just miss, I think. Dhruva, no. Rishi, wrong. Amsa, right answer. Manoj, wrong. Chintana, right. Kishan D, right. Kruti, wrong. Zimad, right answer. Very good. Tarun, no. Nidhi, right. Very good. Okay. Yeah, stop sending. Lenovo, no, wrong. Mana, wrong answer. Chitra, right answer. Mana, wrong. Kanvi, JM, wrong. Rohini, yeah, right method. Very good, Rohini. Milind, right answer. Kushal Gowda, right. Likityam Gowda, right. Rakshit Gowda, right answer. Kishan Pallav, wrong. Yeah, say here. Harichandan. Where is Harichandan? Yeah. Harichandan.
Sir, 9:30 to 10:30, 1 hour. 10:30 to 11:30, 1 hour. 11:30 to 12:30, 1 hour. 12:30 to 1:30, 1 hour. 1:30 to 2:30, 1 hour. 2:30 to 3:30, 1 hour. 3:30 to 4:30, 1 hour. 3:30 to 4:30, 1 hour. 4:30 to 5:30, 1 hour, sir. Total 8 hours becomes, sir.
ಲೇ
Sir,
ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ದ ನೀನು
9:30 to 5:50, 5:50 ಗೆ 9 to 5 ಗೆ 8 hours ಆಗವ್, ಸರ್.
ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸರಿ ಹೇಳ
9:30 AM ನಿಂದ 5:50 AM ಗೆ 8 hours ಆಗವ್, ಸರ್.
9:30 PM to
5:50 AM 8 hours.
you can take up to 5:30, I think.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you can do like that also, no problem.
Sir,
How many hours?
8 hours.
Okay.
50 minus 30 is equals to 20. 8 hours, 20 minutes.
Yeah, so you can do like this also. Or you can do like this also. This is 9:30 PM. And you can take up to 10. This is 30 minutes. See, ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ನಾನು ಹೇಳೋದೇನು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನೀವು ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ 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 ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿ ಈ ತರ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಹಳ ಜನ ನೋಡಿದೀನಿ ನಾನು. ನೀವು ಆದಷ್ಟು ಡೋಂಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ ದಿ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ನೀವೇ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡೆನ್ಸಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನಾನು ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳೋವರೆಗೂ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ನೇ ಕಾಯ್ತಿರ್ತಾರ ಅವ್ರು. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಓಕೆ, 10 PM to 4. 10 to 4 means that is 6 hours. Next, 4 AM to 5. That is 1 hour. Next, 5 AM to 5:50. 50 minutes. See here, add 6 hours and here 1 hour, that is 7 hours. Next 30 minutes plus 50 minutes, that is 80 minutes. See, 80 minutes means that is 1 hour 20 minutes. You can write here 1 hour 20 minutes. Understood how you got 1 hour 20 minutes? This is 60 minutes and this is 20 minutes. 60 minutes means 1 hour and this is 20 minutes. Write this 1 hour 20 minutes here. Add hours and minutes. Okay, see, don't count like that. 9:30 to 10:30, 1 hour, 10:30 to 11:30. See, in exam, you won't get time. Here, you may get the time. Okay, coming to the exam, it is not like that. Time is very precious there. Getting. See, here, ಅದನ್ನೇ ನಾನು ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ತರ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಪಿಕ್ ಅಪ್ ದಿ ಟೈಮ್. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟೈಮ್ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ, ಶಾರ್ಟೇಜ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಟೈಮು. ಓಕೆ, ನೀವು ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಫಿಂಗರ್ ಅಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಗಂಟೆಗಟ್ಲೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್. ಡೋಂಟ್ ಗೋ ಬೈ ಫಿಂಗರ್ ಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಲೀವ್ ಆಲ್ ದೋಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್. 5 + 3 ಮತ್ತೆ ಫಿಂಗರ್ ಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್. Okay, if I tell 10 + 5, again finger counting. Don't go for finger counting. Leave that habit. Clear? Do it directly. Okay, ತುಂಬಾ ಜನ ನಾನು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಇದು ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಟಿವ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲೂ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಇದು. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ they won't give 10 minutes for one problem. They will give 1 minute for one problem or maximum 2 minutes. Within 2 minutes, you need to answer. Yeah, I will stop here.